Hello, this is Azul Chaos, back with another episode of Lone Wolf. Last I remember is we got some magnesium after we had trouble rebuilding the ship. I got some magnesium building there now, so we can make some explosives. So let's take a look. I got some magnesium refining. It's very slow. It's like another thing like nickel. So we just refining some of that with nickel, so that way we can start making some explosives for the warheads. Let's take a look at the warheads. Warheads. So they take 6 explosives for a large station. So we actually ran out of uranium, so we're going to use these warheads to blow a hole in this uranium to get our mining ship down there. While the mining ship recharges, let's go do that. I'm not sure if I can carry all that with me. So we need 6 explosives. I'm going to grab the rest of these. Alright. Looks like we can carry everything. I wonder if we can grab double of everything. Let's see this. Alright, we got 2 warheads. We got enough for 2 warheads and to place some steel barriers. Now let's go do that. I got enough hydrogen. Uranium. Boy, is it dark. Let's get some height. Alright, there's our silver. Got some uranium. Now let's our uranium's down there. Let's give it a little test. Let's make it a little wider. In here. Did I lose which way I'm going? Yes, I did. Alright. Let's take a block. Put the block. A new large ship. 5. New station. Let's put it there. Stick out around it. There's a control panel somewhere. Alright. So that way's up. Let's place our warhead here. Let's weld it up. Let's give it about 15 seconds. Let's get out of here. All right. That is a nice hole. Here's our uranium. Wow. That worked much better than I thought it was gonna. Let's do that again. Let's do it right here. Let's do it that way. Let's do the control panel on our side. Let's do this one more time. Let's hope we got some silver somewhere. There's our part of our silver. So let's do that one more time. Nice open space. That will definitely help. Let's try this again. Hopefully I'm not too close. Alright. Alright, let's go take a look at what that did. Did we get there? We almost got there. I'm almost tempted to do it again. Though I don't want to destroy all that. Alright, let's go do that again. Let's go get another one. Alright, new station. Build it. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Let's save. And do a save as. If we destroy that if we destroy it, we just come back. We'll reload. Control H, or is it Shift H? Alt H. Huh. I'm not sure. I'm trying to get rid of the HUD stuff. It's not tab. Anyways, screw it. Seconds. All right. Do not blow away all the uranium, please. Huh. All right. Almost there. Let's do one more. Screw it. So we don't want to go too far down in there again. Since I went down that far. Let's see, let's take a look in there. Which direction are we in? Alright. So actually, let's put it right about here. Yeah? What do you guys think? Should we do it there? I think we should do it there. Maybe one more up. Which way did I have that control panel up front? Looks like it. Let's try this again. Alright. Seconds. Now let's do a quick save. And try this again. Come on. Some nice area, some nice space. I think I'll be able to live with that. Alright. Where'd that hole go? There it is. So we should be able to drill at least this way. We got a nice, some nice space to drill. Is it daytime? Daytime, getting close. Alright. Let's go check let's go make some more explosives. Just in case we need to do that again. Got another 47 made up. It's good, good, good. Alright. Should be making as the magnesium funds out. Let's check our minor batteries. That one's full, that one's full. Pretty much full. That one's not full. That one's not. That one's not. That one's full. Alright, let's check our big base batteries. Our reactors are on. Alright, so the reactors are actually on. Uranium. Base reactor 1 and 2. They got quite a bit. Ship's got quite a bit. Since the sun's coming up though, I am going to turn off base batteries, or base reactors. Turn those off. Now let's go mine some more. Let's go mine some uranium. I am definitely definitely needs another gyroscope. Hopefully I remember. Silver, yes. Uranium. Let's right click and dig all this up. We shouldn't have a problem getting through here. Alright, we are in. The uranium is right there. Alright, let's dig out this stone. Alright, I think we got enough for right now.
Ship fuel low.
That's not good. Oh shit. No! I destroyed this ship again. God damn it. Fuck my life. There goes all my thrusters again and the batteries. Okay, let's get out of here before do something stupid again. I can still go up. Come on. No. I need more forward thrust. I got too much reverse thrust. Alright. Looks like I lost another battery. And at least lost 2 batteries, 3 thrusters. Looks like 3 thrusters. Anyways, let's get back to base before our ship runs out of fuel. Looks like we're having trouble slowing down once we get moving. All right. Minor. Let's turn my own thrusters off. Let's hit the recharge. Let's turn those off. Alright. So we got some uranium. We destroyed our ship in the process of doing so because we're almost ran out of battery power. And now we got a hefty amount of uranium for future if I want to build ships with some reactors on them instead of battery power. Since we got so much more uranium and the nickel and the magnesium takes forever along with the uranium, if I didn't say that already, we may need to build more refineries to refine more stuff. I actually might make this the refinery base, where we got enough solar panels to run the base, most of the refineries, and do our thing. We still need more solar panels to run the base, do some more batteries, but our batteries are almost dead since I turned the reactors off and the sun is finally coming out. So that does, actually not all of them are dead, just the ones up there. These ones aren't bad, but they should be charging now that, or not charging, but we should at least be putting more in, but our mining ship is recharging at the moment, so we have a lot of output. Hopefully these batteries will put enough power in those batteries to stop, and the solar panels will hopefully speed things up, or not speed things up, but slow things down as in depleting. But I think that's going to be it for today. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Next episode will be fixing the miner ship, possibly building some more refineries and some more solar panels. In the meantime, everybody take care.